Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Consulting Corner. I'm Kellie Halfpap, agency consultant here at KiteTech, and today we are kicking off a spring cleaning series by talking about cleaning up your home screen activities in Applied Epic. Now, why is this important? Well, you want to stay up to date with your activities so nothing falls behind or is missed, to ensure workflows are completed accurately, and so you do not have an endless list of open activities that can cause anxiety in your workday. Keeping your home screen up to date with only the necessary open activities helps you to plan what needs to get done during a workday and triage with what's most important. If you currently have a lot of open activities on your home screen, odds are you have some that can be closed. Start by sorting by the follow-up date, oldest to newest, and go down the list to see what can be closed. As you see here, there are a number of old activities on this home screen from years prior. Some of these are those secondary workflow activities like the ADAC or the USTS that generate automatically but don't necessarily need to be followed up on. So if you see those, you can quickly add a note if needed and then close them out. If these activities aren't really used much by CSRs and account managers, maybe only for reporting purposes, it may be beneficial to configure these to generate in the background so that they don't stay open on your CSR or account manager's home screens. Talk to management and see if there's room for optimization there. For any of those main workflow activities like the APOL or the CHGE, if they are really old, I would just suggest going into that account quickly to make sure that endorsement has been received and the application was updated or that policy was issued. If the service summary row still says in process or submitted, that's going to show up on other reports that management may run. So just quickly review those and issue them and then close out the activity. And if you have a lot of old activities to review them in groups as your time allows. If you have a few minutes here and there to fill, go through those old activities to clean up. For everything newer, this is where you want to triage your day. You can customize your view to show only today's open activities or a selected date range, allowing you to work through and prioritize by what's most important. If there are activities that you know you're not going to get to that day, push the follow-up date to another day as long as they are not urgent. Again, keeping your home screen as clean as possible will help prioritize what needs to get done in a day and cut down on the anxiety of seeing so many things open that you aren't sure needs to be followed up on or just closed. If you are planning on going on vacation, you can set your date range to the week that you are out to see what activities are going to show up on those follow-up dates. That way you can see if you can review them and get them done beforehand or hand them off to someone who will be taking care of things while you are gone. Again, this helps with completing workflows in a timely manner and ensure nothing gets missed. If you have any questions about other ways to optimize your database to make it more efficient for you, reach out to us at consult@kitetechgroup.com or check out our other videos on our YouTube channel of other Applied Epic tips and tricks. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time for the next part of our spring cleaning series.